I got my little Dromida DT4.18. This guy's tiny. I just finished running the Outcast. This is like night and day, man. This guy's pretty fast, but it's just so tiny. Grass is pretty short, but I don't think it's gonna do any sort of crazy jump. So let's see, we'll drive it around. Yeah, it's pretty fast though. Ah, no! This guy will pull wheelie. Oh! He survived it. This guy's got a Zippy, no, a Turnigy, 1500 milliamps, 2S LiPo in there. Got the Dynamite FUZE brushless system. Yeah, I got, oh nice, nice little jump. I've got all kinds of mods on this truckie. Just take a look at my video description and I'll list them all out. Oh, actually it jumps fairly well. The most recent thing I did to it, I installed a Duratrax extra firm springs in the back to keep the ride height, because it kept drooping in the back, so it was annoying. So I got almost landed that. I'm surprised. I thought with the grass here, I thought this guy's not gonna do much, but it is still going. There's no way to keep this guy flat in the air. It's got a very short wheelbase, high center of gravity, lots of torque. I need to find a good launch here that will at least keep it somewhat flat. I'll try to put a little bit more throttle. Oh, what the? This guy's just funny to run. I love this little guy. Oh! Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Got it. Oh, what is that little bump there? Oh, look, nice jump there. Woo! Look at that, it's pulling wheelie even on grass, man. Nice. I'm sorry, this is so fun. I just finished running this giant armor Outcast. Now I got this little guy out here running around. Funny thing, I started with minis. Now I've gone to the higher scale, larger scale. These little 1/18 scale trucks just cracks me up. Oh, it's extremely durable though, I would say. This guy bashed the crap out of. He's gonna have to fix a couple of things. Alright, we're taking the dirt over there. This is so fun. This is probably a little bit too rough for this truck here. Oh! It's just way too much rocks. Oh! Oh, wow. I'm gonna go over there. It's a little bit less rocks. Oh man, there's a puddle of water there. Oh my God. Oh, something happened here. Why is this guy not spinning? Hold on. Oh, I must have broken my differential, my front differential. My left tire is not spinning. That sucked. Yeah, my left front drive cup is not spinning, so I'm gonna have three-wheel drive here. That's alright, this guy's got so much torque, he's always riding on the back of two wheels anyway, so who cares about a front wheel drive there? Oh! Somehow, most of the time, this guy ends up back on his wheels. No matter how it tumbles and flips in the air. Most of the time. Oh, except for that time right there. So I got to replace another differential. I just replaced the front one, the rear one. The rear one stripped after some crazy bashing. So I guess it's time to do the front as well. No, avoid the water! Oh! It is really not waterproof though. My receiver is just sitting out in on top of the servo there. So first puddle of water I hit, no, this guy's fried. It's way too rough for this little guy, but you know, 1/10 scale would be perfect out here. My two-wheel drive Ruckus, 1/10 scale Ruckus, will love this terrain here. The big tires will soak up all the little bumps. This guy is just so hilarious. Let me do a little bit more jump. There's no metal diff option for this guy, but the plastic is fine. It's fairly well. It's very strong. As I run all my Dromida on brushless systems, and this is the only guy that actually stripped the differential, and it's not too bad. I mean, you can buy a bunch of rollers for really cheap from Tower Hobby, so spare parts not an issue at all with the Dromidas. This guy looks so funny. Oh, look at that jump. That was a perfect jump there. Oh, nice dive there. No, don't flip. Oh, don't want to walk over there to get it. Just dirt to stop it. Oh, no, no, no. No, Oh. No, come on, man, you're making me walk now. It does traction roll a lot because it's got a high center of gravity and yeah. So. Oh, what the? It launched before it even hit the ramp. Oh crap, stepped on, oh man, I stepped on a big pile of mud. Clean my shoes a little bit. Yeah, the battery's done, so. Oh. Alright guys, so that was fun. Got my large scale, my mini scale out here. Get my Outcast fixed up. I'll definitely come back out here. And gonna have to probably replace the front differential on this guy. So, alright, thanks for watching.